Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide to remove your profile picture on Snapchat. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile or maintain privacy, these updated steps will have your Snapchat looking just the way you want in no time. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make changes. Once you're in, take a look at the camera screen. In the top left corner, you'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon. Give that a tap. This will take you to your profile page, where all the magic happens. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. See that little gear icon? That's your gateway to Snapchat settings. Tap it once to open up a menu full of options. Here, you'll find everything from privacy controls to account details. Next, scroll down through the settings until you spot the My Account section. Just below it, you'll see the Bitmoji option. Tap that to open your Bitmoji settings. This is where you'll manage your avatar's connection to Snapchat. Almost there. At the bottom of the Bitmoji menu, you'll notice an option labeled Unlink Bitmoji and Remove. Tap it, and a confirmation prompt will pop up. This is Snapchat's way of double-checking your choice. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Remove. And just like that, your Bitmoji or profile picture is gone. Your profile will now display a simple placeholder image instead. If you ever want to add a new avatar, you can revisit these settings and reconnect Bitmoji or upload a fresh photo. A quick tip, if you don't see the Unlink Bitmoji option, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Snapchat occasionally tweaks its layout, so staying current helps avoid confusion. That's all it takes to remove your profile picture on Snapchat. Whether you're switching up your style or keeping things low-key, these steps give you full control over your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you out. See you in the next one.